Hey guys, this is an unboxing of this Jetboil I just got. So this is my first time opening it, but it might be fun to show you what that's like. That's just to hang it out. My first thought when I got this in the mail, it was inside of a big Amazon package, and I wasn't sure if they had actually sent for everything because the box was so lightweight. I was really confused by that. And then when I opened it up, I saw, clearly they sent the right thing. But my first impression on this is, wow, that's light. So it's a bunch of cardboard packaging, which I really appreciate because I'm trying to use less plastic. It's hard, but anything I can get that is plastic packaging is great. So I think there's a bunch of info on here that I might want you look at. As looks like the canister is 33 minutes. I don't know, there's some interesting info here. But there is a user manual, and I will look through that. But this is the number one reason why we're all here is this Jetboil, which I've never held. I just got it on mine. I picked it because I liked this insulating, I don't know what you'd call that, just insulation around it so that you can pick it up. And then you don't have to fiddle with little handles. And I like that you can stick your hand in here like that. Let's see, we're opening it up. This lid looks great. I picked this one because I love that it has like the sippy cup and the pour spout. I tend to be kind of goofy when I go to pour things, so having this narrower trickle I thought was cool, and I really liked that this could just be used as a thermos on its own. Let's see, we've got all kinds of stuff in here. Some more tags and whatnot. Little sticker. Those are fun. I just picked up a roof rack, so I was looking for stickers. Okay, so we've got this in here. So that would be what you actually cook with. And then we have this little stand. And I've seen online that this is the stabilizer. So I think you put your fuel on here. And then this would screw, this part here would screw onto the canister. And then presumably the flame comes up here. This pulls out, and that would adjust the flame. I'm not sure. I think that this is a quick start button, so it will spark it for you, and that will light it up. I think that's what that's for. I know I wanted to get one with that, and then just bring some backups with me, like backup lighters and whatnot. So I think that that's that. I was looking at so many different Jetboils, I started to get confused what features they even had. But I think that that's the quick start, which is great. Like, the more backups you have, the safer you are. So this is looking really great, really lightweight. I have a canister of fuel coming soon. But this is a lot. This is, I feel like I could put, this is how I measure things. Like, can I put a box of Annie's mac and cheese in here? And I totally think I can, and I could boil stuff in there. I have the intention of mostly doing just hot water and then putting stuff in, have a Yeti mug. I might just do that and just do water, but I love the options, and I feel like I can definitely cook like a solid meal in here. But it also wouldn't be too weird to just make hot water and have coffee and sip on it with this lid. So I love the versatility. This is shockingly lightweight. Like, I don't know what this metal, is it aluminum? It's a metal, but it's like crazy lightweight. I was expecting this to be a lot heavier. And then on the bottom here, which is what you would be, so that would go in there. But this on the bottom was covered with this normally, and that has a measuring cup in it, which is wonderful for your dehydrated meals, getting the right measurement of water. I've definitely made things soupy and they get gross. So anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. That just shows you what this was like to get. I still have to get my canister and start using it, and I'll make a video once I use it a few times to just let you know how I feel about it. But I am really, really excited about this. I'm blown away by how light it is. And it's just feeling great. I can't wait for, this is supposed to light up here when it gets hot. I can't wait to see that. So if you're interested in this, this is looking like a really good pick. Like I'm thrilled and thrilled.